Hi, I'm Lori.
And I'm Scout. I'm really looking forward to building this DayRoost bat house using a kit from Bat Conservation and Management. We brought the cordless drill, but the kit comes with screws and adhesive.
The fastest way to put the DayRoost together is upside down, and start by laying the sides and the roof block like this.
Bats are looking for warm bat houses, so we are going to add glue so these seams are airtight when the front goes on.
This is the front of the bat house. The inside face has been roughened in random directions to provide footholds. These footholds are one thing that makes your bat house attractive to mother bats looking for a place to raise young. You can always add more scratches if necessary with a utility knife.
We're going to lay the front down on our spacer strips nice and even and set the 9 screws. Now let's turn the DayRoost over, keeping the top towards us. We will again lay down a bead of glue to help keep our bat house together and warm around the roof.
This is the back. Make sure the inside face is roughened and lay it down so the vent holes are towards the bottom of the bat house. Remember, we are building this upside down, so at the moment the vents look like they are at the top. Don't screw it down wrong side up. The back will go on with 9 more screws just like the front did.
It's time for the plastic lumber roof. Let's make this easy and use measuring tape and start a screw at 3 inches, 7 inches, 10 inches, and 14 inches. This spacing will help avoid conflict with mounting screws later. Add more adhesive across the top. Then just center the roof so it overhangs on all sides and screw down.
Next, we will stain or paint the bat house. It can be about any color you wish, but it must be a dark shade if you are in cool climates or high elevations.
This helps the roost get warm enough that the mother bats will raise young.
If you're in a warm climate like any of the Gulf Coast states, a light shade is okay. If unsure or if you're trying to start a new colony, it's best to install several bat houses, possibly with a couple of different shades of color with different solar exposures. A good approach is placing one DayRoost in full sun all day and another that gets direct morning sun but then is shaded in the afternoon. This can be mounted on a pole or on certain trees, but a lightweight bat house like this, single chamber DayRoost, is probably best on a building.
This is because the building will radiate heat all night, helping the smaller bat house stay warmer for mommy bats and their pups. For much more siting and installing tips, see our other videos and manuals at batmanagement.com.
Now let's assemble the mount kit. Lay out the brackets face down, take the perch panel with the roughened side down, and square up with one end of the brackets. Secure with 2 screws near the corner. All BCM bat houses have these rear vents. That allows bats to come out and roost between our mounting kit and the bat house. So we need to make sure that the backside is roughened up so the bats can get a foothold. The DayRoost will fit right on top of this mount and is super secure because we will use 3-inch deck screws through the front, which pins the entire bat house to the mount. 2 more screws can go in the bottom near the landing area.
This mount is really clever because bats can exit out the back of the bat house, cool off in the crevice behind, and still be protected from predators. This mount adds another roost crevice to all of our bat houses.
Remember, after you install your new bat house, it's tradition to say,
Just add bats
for good luck. Visit batmanagement.com for more batty how-to videos.